Video natin ngayon, we will add and subtract radicals na kung saan yung mga radicand natin ay pwede pang i-simplify or i-lowest term. So, without further ado, let's start with number 1. We have 3 square root of 3 plus 5 square root of 27. Yung 3 natin, hindi na siya pwedeng i-factor out, pero yung 27 pwede pa. So, what are the factors of 27? 27 natin, we have 5, and then the square root of 9 times 3. Again, ang target natin is to factor out the 27 na kung saan yung isa doon ay perfect square. So, ang mangyayari ngayon, ito na siya. 5 square root of 9 times 3. And then, yung isang term natin, we have 3 square root of 3. So, kung mapansin nyo, may common. So, mamaya-maya, able na tayong mag-add ng radicals. So, this is square root of 3 square root of 3 plus yung square root ng 9 natin, ay 3, ilabas natin, and then times 5. Again, the square root of 9 is 3. And then times 5, it will give you 15. So that is 15 square root of 3. And then kung mapansin nyo ngayon, yung dalawang terms natin or yung dalawang radicals natin ay parehas na. So we can add them. 3 plus 15 is 18. So the answer is 18 square root of 3. That's it for number 1. Now for number 2, medyo mas madali ito kasi mababa yung number. We have 3 square root of 8 plus 3 square root of 2. Isa sa mga bagay na tinuro ko sa mga estudyante ko ay meron ng hint or clue kung ano yung magiging factors ng number. Example, ito. Yung part na to, ito ay hindi na factorable, yung square root of 2. So, ang gagawin mo dito ngayon, ito yung magiging hint mo. Ano ba yung mga pwedeng factors ng number na to? So, the number is 8. So the factors are 4 times 2 plus 3 square root of 2. Na kung saan, kapansin nyo, magiging parehas sila. Yun yung purpose din bakit ito yung isang naging hint natin on how to factor out that number or those numbers. So, ang square root ng 4 natin ay 2 times 3. It will give you 6. Square root of 2 plus 3 square root of 2. Mapapansin nyo, parehas na uli. And then the answer is 9 square root of 2. Okay, for number 3, we have 3 terms. 3 square root of 18 plus 3 square root of 12 plus 2 square root of 27. So lahat sila ay factorable at we know na may factors talaga sila na perfect square. So, factor natin, we have 3 times 9 times 2 plus 3 times 4 times 2 plus 2 square root of 9 times 3. So, lahat sila may factors sa perfect square. At pwede natin extract yung mga perfect square. Ito ay 9. So, we have 3 times 3 square root of 2 plus 3 times 2 square root of 2 plus 2 times 3 square root of 3. Ngayon, saan ang galing yung mga number na sa labas? Yung 9, ang square root niya ay 3. Minumultiply natin. Square root ng 4 ay 2. Ang square root ng 9 ay 3. Multiply natin sa labas. So, simplify natin. We have 9 square root of 2 plus 6 square root of 2 plus 6 square root of 3. And again, balikan natin yung rule kung paano mag-add or subtract ng radicals. Kailangan, yung i-combine natin ay may yung radicals na may parehas ng index at parehas ng radicand. So dito, sa tatlong terms na to, ito ang pwede natin pagsamahin. So we have 9 plus 6 square root of 2 plus 6 square root of 3. At pag simplify natin to, it will give you 15 square root of 2 plus 6 square root of 3. This is the answer for number 3. So, I hope na natutunan nyo on how to add radicals na kung saan yung radicand ay possible factor and then, at the end, we can combine them kasi okay na at parehas na yung ating radicals. So, again, reminder ko lang para sa mga bata na hihirapan or nag-struggle sa mathematics, without practice, you cannot overcome mathematics. So dapat mag-practice tayo, and then maraming salamat sa mga nanonood ng ating video. God bless.